Hello, dear children. We read the chapter, right? The flags of the world, and we found there were three letters. One from Ketan, then grandmother replied for that letter. Then again Ketan written. So three letters at least we got or we came to know in that chapter, and we understood uh, the format, the how to write, how to answer all these things, right? So here I'm not going to give you any answer because I thought that if I'll give you answer, that means you'll copy it directly, but you not learn anything by yourself, and that I don't want from you, right? Either wrong and right, you try to write by yourself, right? So as I told you in my last video how to write informal letter, okay? Let us see. At the very beginning you will write your address, that means sender address. You are sender, so you will write sender address, then leave a space, write date, leave a space, okay, leave one line and write down salutation. Here I have written dear Arjun. It's my friend name, that's why. Okay, at the very beginning you can write like this: how are you, Arjun? What are you doing nowadays? I hope you are doing very well and your family members are safe and doing well in their life. So at beginning you can use this type of sentences. After asking the common question or common information, you will write the main topic. What is the question is asking? Write a letter to your friend inviting him or her in your uncle's wedding. Here apostrophe s, okay? Uncle's wedding. Wedding means shadi, marriage, right? So you can write like this. You will be happy to know that my uncle is getting married this week, and I hope you will present that day and will enjoy like this. We'll do dance, garba and all. You can give any hope like this to your friend and request him or her to join in that wedding, okay? And also you can call or invite to his or her parents if they are very close to you, right? We don't invite one person from home. We invite the whole family. So you can call his family or her family to your party, that means your uncle's wedding. So you can mention the date, when is the marriage, when it will start, and when is the reception, right? Because what happened, few people they don't attend marriage but they attend a reception, okay? Because few are very close member, you can say they attend full ceremony, you can say for all the rasm rivaj or something, whatever we do in marriages and all, right? But some only come on the day of reception and they enjoy the party and all and they go back to their home. So you are writing to your friend, that means you wish that at least your friend attend your uncle's wedding, all the ceremony, you can say, like haldi, rasam, or like whatever you Gujarati have that beliefs, or you do some what to call process of marriage, all these things you can mention there, okay? After writing all the details, at last you'll write that I will be waiting for you, okay? Because you are hoping that your friend will join to that marriage party, right? So you at last you will write I will be waiting for you, fine? With lots of love, your friend. Here your name. Suppose I am writing a letter, so my name is Devi. I'll write Devi. Your friend Devi. Okay, that's it. This is all information I have given. You can if you have heard whatever I have said to you, you can write that word. I don't mind, but it should be grammatically correct. Okay, let us move to next. Yes, now open page number 45. The first question we are going to solve is of vocabulary. Vocabulary means where we learn new word. That is your vocabulary. In short, we call vocabs. Okay, vocab or vocabs, like this. Okay. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. See, this is homophone that I have already taught you in my class, right? Homophone means it sounds same. Spelling and meaning is different, right? See, I was unable to meet. But let us find the correct meaning. This meet means flesh or मांस, है ना? But I want to unable to meet means मांस खाना चाहते हो क्या? ना, unable to meet means मिलना. So this meet means मिलना. So we'll choose the correct option, meet him as I was late. Okay. Can you tell me? See, one more thing. Yes, I forgot to tell you. If you know homophones, or if you do this type of task, at least your spelling error would be omitted, right? You will not do any spelling errors. Fine. So for that you have to learn each and every word properly with their correct meaning. Otherwise you will do mistakes, right? Can you tell me about the train fare to Mumbai? This fare means gora, hona, and this fare means where you pay something. Okay. So can you tell me about the train fare? Means you are asking about the payments. Okay. कितना पैसा लगेगा? That means this fare is correct option. FARE, fare to Mumbai. मतलब suppose you are going from somewhere to Mumbai. Okay. So how much it will charge? That is fare. Okay. Fine. Third one is I told the tailor to alter my shirt. Alter, here we are talking about, suppose you bought a shirt and you found that shirt is not fit and you want to make it resize or fit to you, then you do alter. Okay. See, this alter mean resize, ड्रेस को काट फिट करके और फिटिंग में लाना, राइट? एंड दिस अल्टर मीन if you have visited to church, there are some tables, so they sit, they put their hands on the table and pray to God. That table known as altar. Okay, so which one would be correct option? We are talking about church table, okay, holy table, or we are talking about dress stitching and all? Yes, we are talking about fitting and all. So this is your correct option. Fourth one, they went to the sea for a swim. See, this sea means dekhna and this sea means samundar. So tell me which one would be correct one? Of course, yes, SEA means samundar. They went to sea for swim, क्योंकि वो देखने नहीं जा रहे, swim के लिए जा रहे, right? तैरने के लिए. Understood? Great. Now next we are going to solve grammar. I have already taught you participle. Participle is the fourth form of the verb that is also known as ing form. Okay, that is also known as ing form or present participle. So here we'll choose the correct word from the bracket and we'll make it ing form of this word. Fine? Okay, so as I have already told you, we use present participle as a verb and also as an adjective or describing word. Okay, so here mostly we have used, okay, we have used present participle as a describing word. So let us start. My mother is a working woman. Working woman, that means working, describe about my mother. Working woman is correct option. He looks fondly at the sleeping baby. Cynthia won the singing competition. Okay. They swam the shore to avoid the quickly rising tide. This is new for you. Okay. The swam shore avoid to quickly rising tide. Okay. Now this is, there is lot of running water in Norway. All we have did and how we have done it. See, here written RISE, but when we make ing form of this, I have not used I. In place of that, I started from ing. सॉरी RISING, तो ई को हटाकर हम ई से आई स्टार्ट कर लिए, ING यूज कर लिए. ओके, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल wake, and you are going to make it, so you can write waking. We will not use E again. Fine, mostly it will happen. Now next is fill in the blanks with ing form of the verbs given in the bracket. Okay, in bracket given, and we will use ing form of the verb. Same is which word given? Care. So carrying. See here also, yes, got it. We will not use E in ing form. Same is a caring person. He is concerned about the environment. Oh, sorry for the extra noise. That we cannot control, right? I am teaching you, but it's okay. Avoid it. Ignore it. Fine. He is always use ing form. Using, here also we will not use E. Okay, using, USING, using. Recycling. Oh, recycle given, so it will become recycling. Okay, now fourth one, seeing. But you can ask me, ma'am, you told na if last letter is E, then cut and write ing. Fine, but not in all the cases. Okay, suppose if you cut E over here, suppose if you write like this SEING, it is not seeing. The meaning would change, right? Fine. So we will not cut here. See, we will add only ing after seeing. Got it? Now next is, we have two words, learn and worry. Learn, learning. Okay, and what is that? Worry, worrying. Next is, we have again two words, stay and go. Stay will become staying and go, going. Right? So are you staying here? No, I am going home. Got it? How to change to present participle or ing form? I hope you don't have any doubt. Hey, if you find any doubt, children, you can call me anytime. I'll clear your doubts, right? I'm always ready for you to make you understand. Anytime you can call or message me. I'll clear your doubt there. So next page is 46. That is question bank. It is totally for you. But some question answer I have written for you. I'm going to read. That's it. Okay? You check it whether you have written right or wrong. What did Ketan learn from the book of the adventure of famous people? Ketan learnt that every country has a unique flag of its own. He understands that flags were important. That's it. Okay. Actually, I wanted to extend the answer, then I thought there is no space, so no need to extend it. Let it be. We got the complete answer, right? That's super fine. Oh, what did he decided to do after he read the book on the adventures of famous people? So he decided to write a letter to his grandmother and find out more details about flags from her. Grandmothers, mothers, or grandparents, that mean they know more about the things. They are well experienced, so they can give you more information. Fine. What was his grandmother's immediate response on reading Ketan's letter? Yeah, Ketan's grandmother was very happy to know that he was interested in learning about flags. Okay, got? What is represented on the flag of the United States? The flag of United States of American has stars and stripes on it. You can call stripes also, right? If you call stripes, then also correct, because we follow both English, British and American. Okay, both pronunciation go with this on it. Okay, stars mean energy. That's it. And most important, this is for you only, right? That I cannot help. At least I need one answer from you completely. What is scrapbook, and how do you think Ketan is going to make a scrapbook on flags? Okay, you have started working, so you can give answer of this. What is a scrapbook? Scrapbook is there we use some used paper, some rough materials, and create something new and some innovative way, like your cover page, like you make something differently, right? If you can check in other source, it's okay. And you understand how Ketan would make that one. Of course, he would collect all the papers and all, photographs and all, then paste it and write about the information and color it, cut the paper in well designed, then paste on that book. Then likewise he could complete 10 to 12 pages of scrapbook, such way. Okay, so this is your homework for you, of today's homework at least. Okay, bye children.